I will never look at a lawnmower the same after learning this. Let's break down how a two-stroke engine works in just 45 seconds. Imagine a bicycle pump with a turbo boost. A two-stroke engine completes a power cycle with just two movements, up and down. First, the piston goes up, compressing the fuel-air mix at the top. Boom! The spark plug ignites it, causing an explosion that pushes the piston down. As it descends, it exposes ports that intake more fuel-air mix and exhaust the burnt gases. This constant up and down motion powers your engine, making it super efficient and powerful. Simple, right? That's the magic of a two-stroke engine.